Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is slightly different. It's a quick update into what I've been doing over the past few days. I've opened my own shop on Etsy where I'll be selling some of the items I've made. My shop is called Sewn by Sophie Boutique. I will leave the name of it somewhere on the screen for you and also a link in the description below. The items that I'll be selling will include hats, bags, keychains, wallets and also some homemade merch for both my channel and my brother's channel, including these hats. So do keep an eye out for all things like that. Supply is quite limited at the moment, but I will have some more available soon. There will also be some artwork available too, if you wanted to check that out. Unfortunately, it is UK only at the moment, but I'm hoping to do international shipping very soon. As always, thank you so much for all your ongoing support. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.